what advice, no, would you give, no, to those who want to create their own initiatives, be it personal brand, solopreneurs, startup approach, or portfolio? Because as I said, no, with the AI and digitalization, now it's not so easier, no, but in the end, we have the tools to create our own value around the globe, no? So what, based on your experience, any advice to those that want to start their own initiative?
Yeah, I think at first, easy and hard is in reference to something, right? When you
Yeah,
say easy, it's because something could be hard, or it's not hard because it could be easy. Once we kind of detach ourselves from what is easy and hard, you ask yourself the question of what do I feel like doing, right? What do I want to do? If what you want to do and what you're passionate about is something that you're not doing today, and if that is starting Sutro, if that is starting a marketing company, if that's starting a consulting company, if that's building another product, another startup, an AI water startup, if that's what you want to do and that's what you're passionate about, then you should just do it, right? Whether it's easy or hard or medium, like these are all words in reference to other things that we should or could be doing. Like
yeah,
I would just erase what
yeah,
you think you should be feeling and just figure out what you feel like doing. And that would be my only advice to this. If you don't think you should be doing it, and if you're doing it for the reasons of making money and being a billionaire like Bezos or something, like those things happen because Bezos was like passionate about what he was doing. He like showed up every day, and the easy and the hardness is only in reference to him just continually moving forward, to me continually moving forward. And so passion and what you feel like doing is what's going to drive you in the easy days and the hard days. And so the easy and the hard is like
yeah.
surface level.